we're gonna ride Splash Mountain 17 times.
17 times!
So last time we were here, we thought this was gonna be like the last time we ever rode this ride. We like said goodbye, and now we're gonna do it again.
Kelly, you excited?
I'm so excited. We're on Splash Mountain. It's like 9:05 in the morning. That's about to be us. Yay! First drop.
The first drop, the first big drop. Oh no! Ah! And that's all
I'm wet. I'm wet.
Kelly's hand got wet.
No, my whole arm.
Her elbow.
Whole arm.
Okay, so the reason why we thought the last time we rode it was the last time we were ever going to ride it is because they had made the announcement just recently that they were going to switch it over to, what is it? Tiana.
It's going to be Tiana themed.
It's going to be Tiana and
Well, it is. It's just not
Princess
yet.
and the Frog. But they haven't done it yet, and we got the opportunity to come here again. So we're very excited that we get one more chance to ride it, at least.
Last ride ever, maybe.
Yay, maybe last ride. And it's very
Well,
bright
we're
this
going to do it
morning.
17 more times today, but...
Bear Bear's house. Slip and fall. Slip and falls. Not so bad. Oh, and then at the end I got splashed.
Tuesday to Friday. That's what you ask. A little bit of danger.
Rabbit. Not that way. Bear got stuck. That's a bear bug.
There's an alligator in Tiana, too.
Might use the same one.
Sure, he's a good tough.
We're visiting our laughing place.
Oh, no, it's in the wrong laughing place this time for sure. What are you doing, Grandpa? If you finally found your laughing place, how come you aren't laughing?
Oh god. Oh no. Here we go. We're a little wet. Yay! That was a very good splash.
Well, we're very
Goodness.
front heavy. There's only
Very
4 of us
wet,
in
but
this
it's
car.
early, and that's
Yeah.
okay.
And we're all in the front, so a little top heavy.
A little top. Hey!
There's 4 people. We're supposed to be
I'm joking.
Oh no!
Did y'all not get wet at all?
As soon as
Oh, is it turned off?
Come on, Brer Rabbit.
He got his tail.
I'm back in my home now, I'm sure gonna stay.
You guys got your hands up like crazy people. Nice job. See, we don't have PhotoPass, but I can ding it anyway. Here we go. This is an example of a board, so you can see these aren't mysteries. So you know what you're trading for.
Yeah. I'm gonna do that one too.
I'm gonna get Owl. You get him. And Caroline, which one did you get?
I got this one.
Oh, sweet. A cute kangaroo. So we just rode Splash Mountain twice, and now we have cheeseburger egg rolls from the cart. Right outside, you can see, but it's over here right by Adventureland. And Scott, which one are you trying first, or you don't know?
I think this is the burger one.
Okay.
All right, here we go.
Cheeseburger or pastrami? No, that's cheeseburger.
Oh, yes.
Very good.
That's really good.
Caroline, what's your feeling?
Really good. I think I like pastrami more.
So you like pastrami better than the cheeseburger?
But I love them both.
Okay. Kendall,
But the
weigh in.
dipping
Which one is
sauces are
better?
great.
Pastrami or
Cheeseburger.
cheeseburger's better? Okay. So the aioli goes on which one?
Cheeseburger.
Aioli,
But I'm
mustard.
kind of just putting both of them on both of them.
Okay, let's see. It really tastes like a cheeseburger. That's really weird. It's very good. I like them so much, he went and got 2 more.
I got it again.
But you got just cheeseburger this time.
Mm-hmm.